Hi there, it's Andrew for Geek News Central, and this afternoon we're going to be looking at the Uni adjustable tablet stand and hub. So I was looking for a gadget, something that's just a little bit more functional than the stand I have here for my tablet, and has the features that I would normally expect from kind of a little portable USB hub like this, so that I can use my monitor a bit more effectively with my tablet. So I paid just over £60 for this. It's a bit boring looking at this in the box, so I'll maybe just drop a little picture up in the corner, and we'll get it unboxed and see what features it offers. So I'll be back in a moment with the unboxing. Right, so let's get this unboxed. So the hub should have a couple of power USB-A sockets, HDMI, things like that. So as I said, I was looking for something reasonably straightforward, reasonably simple, without some of those really expensive hubs that you sometimes can get. So let's see what we've got here. Okay. Yep, right. Yep. Okay, so that's looking pretty good. Pretty much what I had in mind so far. It's pretty stiff moving the thing, so it's not going to go anywhere quickly. Right, so what have we got? We've got a USB-A, we've got a USB-C PD, so we've got another USB-C, a couple of card slots, things like that, and then we've got an HDMI socket. So obviously this is going to plug into the tablet. I'm assuming I'm going to plug that into the power supply, and I'll be able to keep the tablet charged as I use it. So this feels pretty solid. It's looks like it's a nice piece of kind of aluminium, bit of rubber padding there. I'm just going to see if I can draw back the camera a bit so you can see a bit more of this. Okay. Yep. So. Yep. So that's pretty good. It's pretty. I mean, it's much what I expected, and it feels good. Yep. Okay, so look, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get it plugged in. I'm going to get a tablet connected up and see how it all gets on. Okay, so this is it plugged in. We've got the HDMI cable just here, and we've got the USB-C, which is delivering power to the base and also to the tablet here, and then we've got the cable here which connects up to the tablet. It's charging the tablet, and once we actually get it going, it'll be bringing video back down and onto the monitor. So let's see what it looks like when we've got it on the monitor. Right, so I've got everything connected up, and you can now kind of see the tablet installed on the dock. You can just kind of see the cables around the back, and really now I've only got to connect in that one USB-C cable to get both the tablet kind of charging, and as you'll also see over here now, showing on the big screen. And as you can kind of see, anything I do here is very quickly reproduced over on the big screen. So that's going to be really, really useful whenever I'm doing any kind of editing or trying to do something more than just the basics that you'd use on a tablet. So I'm pretty pleased with that. 60 quid well spent. And so, yeah, so if you're interested in this, you can get it from Amazon. It's the Uni adjustable tablet stand. And as I said, it's 60 quid. Paid for it myself. This isn't anything that's been supplied for free, yeah, no, I'm pretty pleased with that. It was very easy to set up, no issues at all. Stand seems to be good and solid and well made, and I really can't see there being any issues there. It's been a couple of weeks since I set up the Uni Tablet Docking Station, and in that time I found it very useful. It's definitely increased my productivity with a couple of tools. But what I wanted to show you was just a kind of like a wee pro tip. And what I've done here is that I have put in a USB-C to Ethernet adapter, and you can kind of see the Ethernet cable going out there, which means that anything I plug into the docking station now gets the advantage of having a hardwired Ethernet connection. It doesn't have to rely on the Wi-Fi for its network connectivity. And I've definitely noticed the improvement when doing things like web browsing. Everything just seems to be that little bit snappier. Now on most devices it's going to work out of the box. On my particular tablet it does actually detect that an Ethernet cable has been connected, and that there's a few options there in terms of setup. It's just whether you want static IP, whether you want DHCP. But to be honest, it worked out of the box. Didn't have to configure it. It's just that option is there if you need it. And I imagine on most devices, again, it'll work out of the box. But if you do need to configure it, you can. So look, let's wrap this up. As I said, I have been impressed with it. I do think that this is the £60 well spent, for at least for my use case, as it were. So this is Andrew for Geek News Central with the Uni Tablet Docking Station. Thanks very much.